the digital world, a vast and ever-changing environment. It is a landscape teeming with opportunity. Businesses must adapt to survive. Digital marketing is their key. This is the process of reaching customers online, through websites, social media, and email. Effective digital marketing is essential. It helps businesses thrive in the digital age. Before we continue, please take a moment and subscribe below. Additionally, like and comment below. Thanks. The digital landscape is in constant motion. New trends emerge regularly. Artificial intelligence is transforming marketing. It allows for personalized experiences. Voice search is gaining momentum. Consumers use voice assistants more and more. Video marketing continues its reign. It is engaging and easily consumed. Businesses must adapt to these trends. In these turbulent waters, a guide emerges. Onpassive, a technology company, offers solutions. It uses artificial intelligence and automation. This helps businesses navigate the digital world. Onpassive provides a suite of tools. These tools are designed to simplify digital marketing. They are user-friendly and effective. This empowers businesses of all sizes. Section 4. Charting a new course. Onpassive's innovative solutions. Onpassive is revolutionizing the way businesses approach their marketing strategies. One of Onpassive's key offerings is its advanced marketing automation platform. This platform is designed to simplify and enhance marketing efforts for businesses of all sizes. This platform streamlines marketing efforts by automating repetitive tasks and optimizing workflows. It does this through automated email campaigns, social media management, and comprehensive analytics. By automating these processes, businesses can free up valuable time and resources to focus on other key areas of growth and innovation. Onpassive also offers a unique traffic generation solution known as GoFounders. This platform is designed to help businesses attract and retain customers. GoFounders leverages the power of a global community, connecting businesses with potential customers from around the world. It drives targeted traffic to businesses, ensuring that marketing efforts are both effective and efficient. With Onpassive's innovative solutions, businesses can achieve new heights of success. Section 5. Steering towards success, real-world impact of Onpassive. The impact of Onpassive is already being felt across various industries. Businesses using Onpassive report increased website traffic, which is a crucial metric for online success. They also see higher conversion rates, meaning more visitors are becoming customers. This translates to tangible business growth, helping companies expand their reach and revenue. Onpassive's commitment to ethical marketing is commendable, ensuring that all practices are transparent and fair. It prioritizes user privacy and data security, safeguarding sensitive information from potential threats. This builds trust with both businesses and consumers, fostering long-term relationships and loyalty. Onpassive's innovative solutions are driving the future of digital marketing, making it easier for businesses to succeed. Section 6. Onpassive, a glimpse into the future of digital navigation. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, Onpassive is well positioned to lead the way. With cutting-edge technology and a forward-thinking approach, Onpassive is setting new standards in the industry. Its focus on innovation and customer satisfaction sets it apart. The team at Onpassive is dedicated to creating solutions that not only meet but exceed customer expectations. Onpassive is more than just a technology company. It is a visionary enterprise that understands the needs of modern businesses and strives to provide them with the tools they need to succeed. It is a partner for businesses navigating the digital future. By offering comprehensive digital solutions, Onpassive helps businesses stay ahead of the curve and achieve their goals. With Onpassive, the future of digital marketing looks bright. Their innovative strategies and advanced technologies ensure that businesses can reach their target audience more effectively. It promises to be more efficient, effective, and ethical. Onpassive is committed to maintaining high standards of integrity and transparency in all its operations. It's a future where businesses can thrive in the digital age. With Onpassive support, companies can navigate the complexities of the digital world with confidence and ease. For more information about Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.